Latika and welcome to Fashion Fridays. Okay, welcome to a new video and आज के वीडियो के लिए guys it's a review video of an entirely new brand. Basically Urbanic, जिसके बारे में obviously मैं बहुत बार बात कर चुकी हूँ all over the internet. We have so many people talking about it. So Urbanic basically turned 5 and what they did is they launched like a sister brand called as Savannah by Urbanic, which was very interesting. You know, the first time I saw it I was like ऐसा क्या ज़रूरत थी for them to launch a sister brand. That was definitely something on my mind and maybe I'll get more clarity on that as we go by. But instantly I obviously wanted to try it out for myself and see कि यार क्या फ़र्क है exactly इस brand में. Should you shop from it? Should you not? What's the reliability? Because at the end of the day it's a completely new brand and obviously a try-on haul तो बनता है. So I went ahead and placed an order. A huge parcel came in my mail and basically I have shopped pretty much for my entire summer collection. I obviously wanted to try a bunch of things, इसलिए मैंने जो order किया है ना वो multiple categories से order किया है. So we have dresses, we have tops, we have accessories also जो मैंने Urbanic से बहुत कम ली थी. I just wanted to give it a nice little thorough try so that I have a full-fledged review for you guys कि कैसा brand है. This is the box. It came in very similar to Urbanic की packaging and जो सारे products थे वो भी Ziplocs में आए थे. I have all of my products right here with me, so let's begin with the haul. Going to start off with a bodysuit which I absolutely loved. This is what it looks like. So basically this was a full floral mesh moment in a black color and this is what it looks like. तो bodysuit है which is why it will give you a very nice cinched effect and उसके साथ साथ you have nice little floral patterns. ये ना मुझे बहुत पसंद आया because इसका जो material है ना this gives like a velvety touch. It looks very premium and that's one of the things that I noticed about Savannah कि prices जो थे मुझे थोड़े से कम लगे comparatively. And if you're watching this just on time then they also have a huge sale from 10th to 12th of May जहाँ पे you have tons of offers, flat 50% off के range में भी and you also have a special coupon कोड which I'll put screen पे जो आप बाकी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पे यूज कर सकते हो. So instantly I noticed कि प्राइस जो थे मुझे थोड़े से कम लगे compared to Urbanic for sure. Also their logistics everything is pretty much obviously similar as Urbanic's. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स टाइम पे आ गए थे. They also have this express shipping section जहाँ पे you can choose प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि 1-2 दिन में डिलीवर हो जाए. Apart from that, one of the main things that I noticed is there were lots of different fresh styles. Overall, if I talk about the collection, right, a lot of recent trends and a lot of like it was very up to date with the latest trends and you'll get to see that in that upcoming haul as well and in the rest of the products as well कि बहुत quirky and different and like statement pieces देखने को मिले मुझे mostly Savannah पे. Let's have another top. So this is a nice brown blouse and obviously it is so like there is so much detailing going on, right? It's not at all your simple formal blouse. You have this sort of wavy fabric all over the top which I really liked. Full buttoned up है and इसके साथ साथ you also have these sleeves going around like these are your वो क्या कहता है जो फूल जाती है sleeves like bell bottom but in sleeves. The quality so far has been very good. Both of these products have like amazing fabrics used, very nice, very comfortable जो कि obviously super important है इस point पे कहीं से भी मैं shop करूँ. And the next product that I'm going to move on to is actually an entire outfit जो कि मैंने actually बाहर पहना full day के लिए because I wanted to give these products a thorough test, right? Because it's an entirely new brand, like a wear test becomes absolutely important. So I wore this combo of these blue floral jeans. In fact ये तो मैंने अब 2 बार पहन ली है just to see कि कुछ material में issues नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, fabric कैसा है. So it's still pretty much intact. So these are nice faded floral denims and ये low waist fitting है जो कि मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद ऐसी jeans पहनी. But as I mentioned कि हर piece में there is something unique going on, something it's like some statement going on, which is why overall the entire brand I found to be very fashion forward. And उनको मैंने pair किया with this tube top. So I am recently into whites. Otherwise I used to be scared of wearing whites, but ये ना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I think these two are probably one of my favorite purchases because clearly मैंने इनको पूरे दिन के लिए बाहर भी पहना instantly, like I couldn't resist. These were the first products that I wanted to wear, and iska shape I absolutely love. So all of these different textures, detailing, जो भी stitching हो रखी है ना, they gave such a nice good structure to the top when I wore it as a tube top. Quickly we'll also insert the try on of this gorgeous orange dress that I am wearing. आई थिंक इसका मटेरियल थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है. वैसे ये समर ड्रेस है ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज स्लीवलेस है एंड नी लेंथ है, बट दिस हैज़ अ नाइस थिक फैब्रिक. इंस्टेंटली इट गेव मी लाइक दोज फेरी विंटेज वाइब्स कह सकते हो. बड़ा ब्रिजिटन वाइब्स आए मुझे इससे. बट अगेन लिटिल बिट कंसर्न कि ये मैं कहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली पहनूंगी. मेरे पास कुछ ऐसी ड्रेसेस हैं जो कि नी लेंथ होती है बट फिर उनका मटेरियल मोटा होता है, या वाइस वर्सा. इट्स अ विंटर ड्रेस बट इट्स वेरी थिन मटेरियल. सो इसमें प्रैक्टिकली वो थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आएगी. Having said that, it is a very very pretty dress, and of course because it's in that tweed material, tweed fabric, it looks absolutely stunning. Bright pop of color में है. So I would say इसका just be mindful कि आप इसको आपके like actual practical use का ये है कि नहीं है, and purchase it accordingly. Okay, coming now to a dress which instantly like मतलब जब मैंने देखा तो बहुत पसंद आया मेरे को. ये ओम्ब्रे का ऐसा पूरा एक ट्यूब ड्रेस है. सो इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर. साइड पे यू हैव दी जिप्स डिटेलिंग गोइंग ऑन. पूरा रूशिंग हो रखा है यहाँ पे, एंड इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. Having said that, when I actually wore it, कुछ मुझे इश्यूज आए इसमें, एंड ऐसे इश्यूज मेरे को एक दो ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स में भी आए हैं. बेसिकली इट कुड ऑल्सो बी अ साइजिंग इशू, बट जब मैंने इसको पहना ना तो ये जो फैब्रिक जो भी बहुत रूश्ड अप है वो नहीं हो रहा था बिकॉज इट वॉज अ लिटिल बिट टाइट फिटेड मेरे को, इसलिए वो पूरा स्ट्रेच हो रहा था. एंड इन वियर्ड प्लेसेस लाइक वो जो रूशिंग आनी चाहिए थी वो नहीं आ रही थी. थोड़ा स्ट्रेच हो रहा था ये फैब्रिक, जो उतना फ्लैटरिंग मुझे नहीं लगा पर्सनली. सो देर इज अ बिट ऑफ साइज इनकंसिस्टेंसीज विच आई नोटिस. सो कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मेरे को स्मॉल में एकदम ठीक आए हैं, एंड कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे कि ये है जिसका स्मॉल है वो मेरे को ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सा फ्लैटरिंग नहीं लगा है. मे बी अ मीडियम इन दिस वुड हैव लुक बेटर ऑन मी. इंडियन जो साइजेस होते हैं ना वो थोड़े से डिफरेंट होते हैं. ऑब्वियसली यू मोर कर्वी on general, so इसलिए some dresses have not fit me the best. It was a similar thing with this dress, and trust me if you are like petite framed, ये dress तो इतनी सुंदर लगेगी आपको. This is what it looks like it's basically a one shouldered zigzag dress. पूरे यहाँ पे रूशिंग हो रखी है. Now again मेरे को ये basically थोड़ा सा क्योंकि टाइट था इसलिए पूरा मटेरियल स्ट्रेच हुआ है, इसलिए इट हैजंट लुक द बेस्ट ऑन मी. हैविंग सेड दैट द मटेरियल इज वेरी वेरी नाइस ऑफ दिस. इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी कलर. आई थिंक समथिंग लाइक दिस मेरी वार्डरोब में था भी नहीं. सो आई हैव बीन वेरी एक्साइटेड टू गेट पीसेज विच आर जनरली आउट ऑफ माई कंफर्ट जोन, राइट. एंड बहुत कम इंडियन ब्रांड्स इस पॉइंट पे ऐसे डिफरेंट फैशन फॉरवर्ड चीजें करते हैं, वो भी बजट में. के द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट जो कि आई थिंक अभी समझ नहीं आएगा, ऐसा समझ आएगा, but I absolutely loved it. Such a simple way to do a black top. So basically this is what it looks like. ये पूरा टॉप है एंड इसका यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा फ्लैप sort of material फॉल करता है. You also have full mesh sleeves यहाँ पे, and stomach पे भी you have mesh detailing going on. So this I think was something which I am definitely going to have in my closet for such a long time because I see myself using this in so many different ways. ब्लैक है, मैश है, एंड कितनी चीज़ों के साथ जाएगा, कितने एस्थेटिक्स के साथ जाएगा. ऐसे पीसेस ना जो कि वार्डरोब में बार बार यूज़ हो सकते हैं, वो एक अगेन प्रैक्टिकल शॉपिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से डेफिनेटली ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स है जो आप लोग देख सकते हो, कंसिडर कर सकते हो टू बाय. बिफोर वी मूव ऑन टू एक्सेसरीज, द लास्ट क्लोथिंग, दिस ड्रेस विच इज़ नॉट फॉर द फेंट हार्टेड. दिस इज़ वॉट इट लुक्स लाइक. So many detailings going on in this one. So basically it's a full fishtail dress. इसका ये वाला मटेरियल ना नीचे नॉर्मल कॉटन सिंपल टी शर्ट मटेरियल है. सो इट्स नॉट योर एनी गाउन में एनी फैंसी मटेरियल. ब्यूटिफुल स्लीव्स, दीज आर वेरी वेल डन इन टर्म्स ऑफ द पैटर्न. एंड इसका फुल एक लंबा तो नहीं कह सकते बट बढ़िया सा स्क्वायर सा नेक है. with this small fabric यहाँ पे, and then again full corset mesh है out there for those statement occasions. इसमें again मुझे sizing का same issue हुआ because I am shorter, right? इसीलिए ये वाला area ना basically ये corset एकदम अच्छे से fit नहीं हो रहा where I wanted to be because I have a shorter body. Jeans में also I have the same issue कि because of I'm a shorter height, इसीलिए वो थोड़ी सी मेरे को लंबी है. I have to wear heels with them. So these are some inconsistencies that I've noticed. Coming now to accessories. This is the bag that I got. Honestly, I don't think मैंने Urbanic से कभी ऐसे bag खरीदा था. But यहाँ पे I want to test and try out every single category. So इसलिए I purchased this, and I think this is definitely one of my highlights of this haul because it's very very pretty. There's so many detailings going on. Obviously ये पूरा आपका tweed fabric है, right? उसके बाद जो यहाँ पे पूरा clutch है, that is this nice gold detailing. You have a nice print going on, and even on the handle, right? You have this nice gold design going on. बहुत ही lightweight है, so it जितना ये दिख रहा है मतलब metallic, उतना metallic heavy है नहीं है. That's a good thing also, bad thing also, depending upon what you prefer. This is a nice medium size bag. The colors are very pretty. I think again to get such a statement bag इस price point पे मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा personally. And to complete things off, I went ahead and ordered some statement rings. Talking about this again, it's not the most fanciest metal. You can make out कि थोड़ा ठीक ठाक material ही है. Stones बहुत pretty है, but जो metal itself है वो थोड़ा flimsy वाला है, जो again इसका कोई उतना long term भरोसा नहीं है. So I would suggest keep that in mind कि when you're paying that kind of price, what kind of a longevity does it have and कितनी देर ये actually sustain करेगा, right? And this was the haul for Savannah. All in all, in terms of trends, collection, logistics, it's up there. In terms of sizes, quality and fitting of certain pieces, I have certain apprehensions as well. So I would recommend be mindful of that. Obviously, all of the products that I have got, literally I found some of my favorites as well from this haul. तो सबके product links नीचे होंगे, and again they have a sale from 10th to 12th May. उसके अलावा you also have the coupon code जो आप कभी भी हर product पे use कर सकते हो. I'm personally looking forward to see कि brand और क्या करता है, how does it differ, how does it make a statement and build its own brand. Excited and hopeful seeing their collections so far. I hope कि pieces selection में थोड़ा सा और effort हो, but other than that, I had a great time shooting this video and this haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Take care.